Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have this spooky Halloween 3D blood drip design that was inspired by Nails by Cambria. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. First, I'm going to apply Nails Inc NAILKALE Superfood Base Coat to all of my nails. Then I'm going to apply 2 coats of China Glaze Innocence because I think this is the perfect translucent nude polish. Then I'm going to use Salon Perfect's Matte Effects Top Coat to make sure that the blood drips really pop out. To create the blood drops, I'm going to use Sexting from Nails Inc.'s Life Hack collection. I'm going to apply 2 large dots near the center of my nail, and then I'm going to use this 5mm liner brush from Nicole Diary to draw vertical lines straight down to those dots. Then I'm going to create the drip shape by curving those lines all the way up to my cuticle. A couple reasons why I love this brush is because it's skinny and great for detail work, and it also comes in a case, so it's perfect for travel. Next, I'm going to add some dimension to these blood drops by using Born Pretty's Builder Gel. I'm using Builder Gel over regular gel because it won't level out as fast, and it'll help add the dimension to make it look 3D. Then I'm going to use my Cherry Red Lumini Macaron LED lamp to cure the gel. It did take a little longer to cure because Builder Gel is thicker than regular gel. The Builder Gel also leaves a sticky layer, so I'm just going to wipe that off with some rubbing alcohol. And you're done! Here's the finished design. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I want to know what's the best Halloween costume you've ever seen. Let me know by leaving me a comment down below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!